Hi, and welcome to part 2 of lesson 1 of Lumise Editor for WooCommerce. Introduction to Lumise Editor. Product Designer for WooCommerce. Now we have clip arts. Clip arts are a list of images that you prepare for the user to use. They can add them to products with one click. You can set a clip art for a product for selling without adding to the design. Here, you can manage all your existing clip arts. In this area, you can see the stages, thumbnail, name, and status. If you want to add a new clip art, click on this Add New Clip Art option. Here is where you add a new clip art. You can write the name, set a category, and add tags. You can also upload an image, set a price, feature it, make it active, and order items. After completing changes, click on Save Clip Art. Now we have shapes. Shapes are a form of an object defined by its external boundary, outline, or external surface. This is where you can manage your existing shapes, including name, preview, and status. If you want to add a new shape, use this Add New Shape option. This is the setting for adding a new shape. Write a name for the shape and add content. Only accept SVG under the plain text. Order the item and make the shape active by clicking the Yes option. Click on Save Shape after adding the shape. Now we are on the Printing tab. For printing type, there are many methods to produce products. Each product has its own method. You need to create different methods for users to select during purchase. This is where you manage your existing printing types. In this area, you can see the thumbnail, name, description, and status. To add a new printing method, click on Add New Printing Type. This is the setting for adding a new printing type. Write a title, upload a thumbnail, and add a description. Make the printing type active. Now we move to the price rules. If you want to allow setup price for each stage, check this option. If you want to calculate price with text, clip art, image, and upload, use this option. You can set the price based on a quantity range for each: text, clip art, image, upload, vectors, and SVG. You can also use the advanced options by selecting the Yes option. Set the quantity range, text, clip art, image, vector, and upload. You can calculate price by one color. Allow setup price with one color. Price of one color is multiplied by the color number. If you want to calculate price with size of area design, use this option. Allow setup price with size of area design. If you want a fixed price, use this option. Price is fixed on each view. If you want to calculate price per line, use this option, which allows pricing per line. If you want to calculate price per character, you can use this option, which allows pricing per character. Calculate price with acreage design square inch. Allow setup price with average design. Click on Save Printing after adding these settings. Then we have resources. You can add available fonts here. Select your fonts and choose colors. If you want to add a new color, click on the Add New Color option. You can use the color picker. Allow users to select colors from the color picker. You can also use the advanced option. Set minimum font size, maximum font size, minimum text line, maximum text line, minimum text letter, maximum text letter, minimum line height, maximum line height, minimum letter spacing, maximum letter spacing. To make this editable, movable, removable, scalable, rotatable, or double, use this option. Then we have clip arts. In the clip art section, you can choose the color. You can enable the color picker. Set the categories and the advanced option. The same settings will be applied for the shape. Now, for the image upload, you can choose color, add a new color, use a color picker, set categories, and use the advanced options. The same settings will be applied to shapes. Now we will move on to the layout. In the layout, you can select components that will display by product. Choose your option from here. Then we have Select Action. This allows an action on the Design Editor page. Then we have the Select Toolbar. You can select toolbars that will display with each component. After making changes, click on Save Printing. Now we are on the Custom Fonts tab. This is where you can manage all your existing fonts. In this area, you can see the font preview, name, and status. If you want to add a new font, click on Add New Font. This is where we add new fonts. Write the name for the font in Latin letters and add a description. Upload your font file in a PDF render. Make the font active by checking this option. After all settings are configured, click on Save Font. This ends part 2 of Introduction to Lumise Editor. Don't forget to watch part 3.